everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I will show you how to make akara with lentils. I am Rosie. You are welcome to my kitchen. Here I have some lentils. Lentils are legumes. They are packed with nutrition. They contain protein, fiber, minerals, and they are super delicious and very easy to prepare. To begin, I will transfer the lentils inside a bowl, add some water and soak it for at least 30 minutes. Lentils comes in different colors. So for akara, I like to use this orange color. Next ingredients, I'll be using onions, pepper, spring onions, salt to taste, oil for deep frying. You can use any oil of your choice. While the lentils are soaking, I'll go ahead to prep the rest of the ingredients. If you don't have lentils where you live, you can use this recipe to make akara with brown beans, black-eyed peas, or any other beans you use in making akara. For lentils, it doesn't contain any skin to take out. Lentils are very versatile. You can use it to make lots of recipes, and they are super delicious and very easy to prepare. So the lentils is be soaking now for 40 minutes. It is very important to soak it before you use it. If not, when the akara cools down, it's going to get so hard. So I'm going to transfer it to the sink and I will rinse it off camera. And that is nicely rinsed. I will add onions and pepper. And I'll transfer it inside a blender. I will add half a cup of water. For akara, whichever beans you're using, you need to blend it with little amount of water because the paste needs to be thick. For akara, if the paste is not thick, it's not going to hold well when you're frying it. It's just going to be all over the place. So you want to blend it thick and you can always adjust it later. That is done. I'll transfer it inside a bowl. And this is how the consistency is. Thick paste. You can even add a little bit of water at this point. So next I'll add salt. Then before I start, I'm going to add some oil in the pan and start heating it up. I will be using a hand mixer to whisk the paste for at least 5 minutes until it becomes light and fluffy. If you don't have a hand mixer, don't worry, you can use a whisk or a wooden spoon. Just whisk until it becomes light and fluffy. And this step is very important when making akara. If you don't whisk the akara very well before you start frying it, once you add it inside the oil, it's going to sink, and in that case the akara is going to absorb lots of oil. So when you whisk it very well, you put it inside the oil, it's just going to stay on top. I will just drop a little bit to test the oil temperature, and once the oil is hot, I'll go ahead and fry the akara. As you can see, the akara is staying on top because it was properly whisked. Once they are ready on one side, flip it to the other side. And I am frying on medium heat. If the oil is too hot, it's going to cook outside and inside it will be uncooked. So you want to fry akara on medium heat. Keep watching because I'm going to be showing you how to make a special pepper sauce to enjoy your akara. Once they are nice and ready, I'll take them out of the hot oil and transfer them to a strainer lining with paper towel. I will repeat the process until I am done. Before frying the next batch, whisk it again for at least 2 minutes because it has lost some of the air which was created the first time we whisk it. So to avoid the akara for absorbing oil, you want to whisk it again for like 2 minutes. And akara is ready. To make the pepper sauce, I will be using some sweet pepper, cayenne pepper, onions, ginger, garlic, and I have them nicely cleaned inside the blender and I'm going to blend it roughly. So once that is nicely blended, I'll transfer it inside a pot and cook it down a bit before we proceed. The pepper is been cooking now for about 15 minutes and I'll give that a stir. At this point, the liquid has reduced. Cooking the pepper before making the sauce will cut down the cooking process of the sauce. I will add a little bit of avocado oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I will season with bouillon, salt, and stir. For this sauce, I like to keep the seasoning very simple, but it's totally up to you. I'll cover and leave it for another 10 to 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, and at this point, the oil have started to settle on top. That means the sauce is ready, and this sauce smells amazing. And I cook it on medium to low heat so it doesn't get burnt. So I will take it off the stove. Lentil akara and pepper sauce is ready. They smells amazing and they were super delicious. You will ask for more. And you can enjoy this akara with bread, pap, oatmeal, or anything of your choice. And did I forget to say you can enjoy them any time of the day. If you enjoyed this video, please give the video a thumbs up and follow me if you are not already. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video.